Hi, my name is Ashley from Porsche Centre South Lakes. I'm the new Porsche Pro here, which means going forward I'm going to do all these fantastic videos for the Let's Talk Porsche talk show. One of the first ones I'm excited to show you today is how to customise your home screen on the PCM. So with the Porsche, the PCM, you have two different main screens. So you've got the first one here and the second one, which is in your three sections, which means you've got two different ways you can customise these screens. So the first one is by pressing these three dots just over here. We're going to configure my screen and then just drag and drop any options you prefer. So let's say you like ambient lighting, you could drag that over here. And then same with, let's say drive. Let's move that to that middle one here. You can then swipe along and decide which kind of screen you'd like. And then when you're happy, click confirm and you're done. The next way is through the standard screen here. And it's the same thing. We're going to go to the three dots, adapt sorting, and drag and drop. So let's say this one you might want large and in charge. Let's put that up here at the top. And then features you might not want, you can drag that and move further down to the bottom. You can also drag items over here as well and replace them on this section here. And there you go. So that's how to customise your PCM's home screen. I really enjoyed making this video and I'm really excited to create some more for you guys. If there's anything in particular you'd like to know about, then just let us know in the comments below. But otherwise, I'll see you for the next one.